Xin chào cả nhà. Today we're making steak teriyaki bowl. Wow. So this is a super easy recipe. The teriyaki sauce is so simple to make. It takes about 10 minutes to put it together. I like my steak medium rare, and with our homemade teriyaki sauce, whew, so damn good. So here's a tip on how to tell your steak if it's ready. In the palm of your hand, this is how rare steak feels, right? Okay, so if you want to cook it rare, first finger, feel it right here. That's about rare. That's just searing on the outside, okay? And medium rare is middle finger. You feel that? It's a little bit more firm, but still bouncy. This right here is medium well. It's a little bit more firm, okay? And here, pinky finger, that is well done. That is firm, okay? So then you poke it right here, see? Where it bounces up like this, that is medium rare, okay? And notice how on the edges it's more firm, like well done. Well, of course, on the edges it's more well done. It's more cooked. So for those of y'all saying, oh, I'm touching other people's food, well, this is my food. So y'all ain't getting nothing of it. Or if you're more professional, then I guess you use a tong. So tamari soy sauce is best for teriyaki sauce. Super easy recipe. It's gonna be 1 part of the tamari, then 1 part mirin, and 1 part sugar. With half part water. And put this on medium heat, stir it up until all the sugar melts. Then we'll throw in a few slices of ginger. Simmer this on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Bring it to a rolling boil like this. Then we'll thicken it up with a cornstarch slur. And the slur consists of 1 part cornstarch and 1 part water. Just add it in slowly like this until your desired thickness. And once this cools down, it's gonna thicken up some more. And this sauce can also be used for chicken teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki bowl. That's for the chicken, you can grill it, you can air fry it. But for this, I chose to pan fry it with the cast iron. So using the cast iron, the chicken skin is super crispy. Watch. Teriyaki sauce hits it. Look how juicy this piece of chicken is. Ooh.